What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be doing a couple of things. I'm going to be transferring money from my checking account to my Robinhood account. I'm actually going to transfer $1,600, but I'm going to be purchasing $1,500 worth of shares with AGNC Investment. And I'm going to show you my most recent dividend payment that I got with AGNC Investment. So that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so what I will be doing is I will be showing you guys my portfolio, and I will also show you guys a recording on my iPhone. And so the first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to transfer the money from my checking account to my Robinhood account. So I'm on the Robinhood app right here on the phone. Of course, there's a screen recording going on the iPhone. You can see my buying power says $148,000. That's because I have margin investing turned on Robinhood. So I really don't have $148,000 to purchase. You know, that money is there because of margin investing, because I'm using margin investing with Robinhood, but that's not actually my money. I'm going to transfer money from my bank account to Robinhood right now, and then I'm going to grab $1,500 worth of shares with AGNC Investment, and then I'll also show you my most recent dividend payment. So the first thing I'll do is I'll transfer the money, and I'm going to let's see, I need to go to the right place to transfer the money. It's been a while. Give me a second here. Here we go. Transfers. Great. Okay, so we're going to transfer money to Robinhood. So the very first option where it says transfer money, deposit money to your Robinhood account, or withdrawal to your bank. So I'll click on the first option, and I'm going to choose from my checking account, and it's going to go to my Robinhood account. Okay, so as you can see there, it's from my checking account to my Robinhood account. I'm going to transfer $1,600. Because I have Robinhood Instant, it's going to spot me the $1,600. So I'll click on review, I'll click on transfer, and then of course it'll ask me, or it'll basically verify. It's taking a second here to load, but this is really cool. I'm going to transfer the money right now with you guys on the screen, and I'm going to purchase $1,500 worth of shares with AGNC. Right now, my average cost with AGNC is $14.77. So I will be able to show you guys that in just a second on the screen. I will show you guys all of that. So, okay, I'm going to click on continue. And of course, because I have instant deposit available, they credited that money to my account. No, I do not want to keep the momentum and schedule automatic deposits. Okay, we're going to go back to my account here. And now you can see my buying power went from $148,000 to $151,000. So they added the $1,600 to my account. That brings my all-time total money in regards to investing on Robinhood. It brings it up to $257,195. That's how much money I have invested in Robinhood since May of 2020. Okay, but my portfolio is currently valued at $238,000. All right, so I put the money in the account. I'm going to scroll down to AGNC Investment. I'm going to show you guys currently my average cost per share. Actually, you can see it on the screen. I'm going to show you guys on my desktop, and then I'll purchase. So my average cost per share right now on the computer screen is $14.77, as you guys can see. So I'm going to purchase $1,500 worth of shares, and it's going to move my average cost from $14.77 down. Okay. On the screen, you can see my total return with Robinhood is negative 21%. Not Robinhood, AGNC Investment. It's negative 21%, which is $682. Okay, so I'm going to jump back to the phone real quick. I'm gonna click on trade at the bottom. Then I'll click on buy. And the reason why I'm buying $1,500 worth of share is because my average cost is $14.77. So I'll be able to bring that down and also get a bigger dividend payment. My last dividend payment was for $25. AGNC pays 12 cents per share. So I'm going to click on, at the top right on my phone, you can see dollars. I just want to purchase in dollars and not worry about shares. So I'm going to just put $1,500, however many shares that's going to get me. I'll click on review. I'll swipe up to submit, and then it's going to submit the order right now, and it's going to fill my order. And so right now, as you guys can see, I was able to get 129.30 31 shares, and the cost was $11.60. Okay, so I will show you guys quickly here. Okay, so I grabbed some more shares. Now I have altogether. Now I have. Well, my phone doesn't want to scroll. Wow, my phone's kind of frozen. Okay, altogether now I have 344 shares. My average cost went from $14.77 down to $13.58. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of the video here on the computer screen so you guys can see that on the computer screen. Once again, my average cost went from $14.77 down to $13.58. Okay, and I was able to grab 129 more shares. So once again, AGNC is paying 12 cents per share. So 129 times 12 cents is going to be $15.48 more when I get my next dividend payment. Okay, so once again, I'll scroll down and show you guys my current dividend payment that I just got. A couple of things happened, right? I invested $1,500, which is not necessarily a lot of money. It's not a little bit of money either. And it brought my average cost from $14.77 down to $13.58. That's actually very, very good. Of course, if you're following the stock market yesterday, everything went down quite a bit, and AGNC was trading a little lower yesterday as well, but that's okay. I got some shares today because I wanted to make this video and show you guys my most recent dividend payment with AGNC Investment. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to show you the most recent dividend payment that I got. Okay, right here you can see that I bought, right, because I bought $1,500, so you can see it right here. I was able to grab another 129 shares. My most recent dividend payment was on the 12th of September, as you guys can see, and at the time it was for $25.60. I had 213 shares. I believe right now I have 344. I'll double check in a second. So we have 213 shares, and they're paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $25.60. Robinhood went ahead and reinvested that amount, and they were able to grab 2.19 shares, and it was at $11.66. Okay, so that was on the 12th of September. So today, as you can see, I invested $1,500, and I was able to get it for $11.60 per share, which added another 129 shares. Altogether, I have 344 shares. So you're looking at 344 shares here. But when I got the dividend payment, it was 213, I think. Let's double check. When I got the dividend payment here, it was 213. Okay, so 213 versus 344. So once again, the dividend payment that I will be getting from here forward is going to be 344 times 12 cents. That's going to be $41. So I'm going to jump from a $25 dividend payment monthly to a $41 dividend payment. And of course, it's going to continue to increase over time because I do have dividend reinvesting turned on Robinhood, and Robinhood goes ahead and grabs more shares for me. Okay, so I'm very excited about this because, like I said, I was able to do a couple of things. I grabbed more shares, not with a lot of money, even though $1,500 is a decent amount of money, but I was able to bring my average cost down from $14.77 to $13.58. It definitely feels better for me to look and see that my average cost is down more than $1, and that's really, really cool. And in addition to that, I grew my dividend payment from $25 to $41. So I'm very excited. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated when I get the next dividend payment next month. All right. So currently my portfolio sits at $238,000. It went up $6,500 today. But overall, I am substantially lower in regards to investing. I have $257,000 invested on Robinhood, and right now my portfolio is $238,000. So almost a $20,000 difference as far as my overall return is concerned. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.